to my channel. If you're new, my name is Natasha. Welcome. And yes, today's video is about this makeup look, baby. I'm just feeling it. I'm feeling myself, and it has been a minute since I did my makeup like this. I mean, who's this? Oh my god, face is looking flawless, and these eyes, oh, I'm just so in love. So if you like this makeup look, let me give you some face, baby. I just love them. I am so in love with this look. So if you like this look and you want to see me recreate this look, just keep on watching and enjoy the video, guys. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe to my channel, please. Bye, besitos. What's up, guys? I'm starting with one eye because I already did the other one, at least the eyeshadow. I'm starting by applying this beautiful blue color from the Charles James Morphe palette on my lid, and I'm gonna blend this with a Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna be blending and adding more color until I get the desired blending that I want. I forget to show you guys that I also use a brown transitioning color, this color right here, to blend the colors together and to just make sure there is a transition color on my eyelids before I applied the blue one. So with a smaller brush, I am adding more of that blue color on the lid, and I'm packing that. With a smaller brush, I am packing this beautiful light blue color in my inner eye corner, and I really love this color. It gives it a real pop. With my Too Faced, I think it's the Better Than Sex eyeliner, I am lining my eyes. I'm just making a winged eye, and just to give the eye more of a contrast and to make it pop a little more. So we are going to add some color to the under eye area now, and I'm using the same colors that I use on my lids. I'm just packing this on my under eyes, and then afterwards I'm gonna be blending this with the transitioning color. I'm gonna be adding this beautiful lilac bluish color just to give it more of a transitioning feeling, so it's like more smoky, and I'm adding more of that light blue color in my inner corners. I'm gonna be adding lashes, but only at the outer part of my eye. So these are from Primark. They are very affordable and I love them because yes, I don't have to worry that they are very expensive or anything, because I don't know, I cannot take good care of my lashes. I always take them off, put them somewhere, and then poof, I lose them. Here I'm applying some MAC concealer. I like to do this with my fingers because it warms up the product and it's easier to blend afterwards. So that is why I'm using my fingers. I know it's gross, but I promise my fingers were clean. Then with this brush, I'm gonna be just blending everything, and I like to do this before I add my foundation because I feel like the concealer is a little bit thinner and on the skin. So with my foundation, I'm just gonna add a little bit just to give me that coverage that I want and not overdo it and get cakey in the process. So that is why I spot conceal first. I'm not gonna lie, I could have used a more lighter concealer, but I just like this one because it's more like my skin color and it's more natural. So with this, I think is the Zoeva foundation brush. I will link it down below. I am blending this out, and yeah, I sprayed a little bit of Fix Plus on it, but not too much, and then just blend. Make sure you get your neck, please ladies, and your ears, because it can be really embarrassing and annoying to have like different color neck and ears matching with your face. It's not a cute look. I am just blending this out afterwards with my beauty blender, and I know my beauty blender, oh no, it's not a beauty blender, it's from Real Technique. It's just a beauty sponge, and yes, just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. Now I'm gonna add my Born This Way concealer under my eyes, and I really love this concealer. And this one is slightly lighter than the other one from MAC, so this is gonna just brightening up my under eyes and the areas of my face that I applied it to. So that's why I use this afterwards, just to brightening everything up a little bit. So yes. And with a smaller brush, I will be blending that concealer to make sure it's nice and blended, also in the under eye area. And I'm going back, just blending it a little bit more and editing more of that gorgeous color in my eye corner. I really love this. It gives the look a little pop of color. The look is blue, but it's not like blue in your face, so this pop of color is nice in the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm gonna be adding my Revlon translucent powder to set under my eyes, my nose, everywhere where I put my concealer. Basically, I'm gonna press with my powder proof, that's how it's called, I think. And now with this Kat Von D, this is so old guys, but I love the shades in it, so that's why I use it still. I'm gonna be contouring my face, and yeah, I really love the tones in here because they are not like orangey, they are very neutral, and they have like a cooler undertone, and I like this for the contour. So I'm gonna contour my forehead, underneath my lips. I love this tab because it makes your lips look much plumper, and my jawline. I'm gonna be blending everything out to make sure everything is nice and blended with my powder brush, and with a smaller brush I'm gonna be contouring my nose. I also love this step of my makeup routine. I overdid it a little bit, I think, but afterwards I fixed it and I blended out. You will see. And yeah guys, I'm just contouring my nose and again under my lips. I just love that. And now with a bigger and fluffier brush, actually this is my bronzer brush, I'm gonna be just try and blend this nose out, and then again with my beauty sponge I'm gonna blend everything. So this is just fine. Now with my Milani bronzer, I'm gonna be bronzing around my face where I want some color and some warmth. This has a more like a bronzy orangey tone in it, so that's why I use the Kat Von D first to contour, and then this to bring some warmth to my face. Now with this MAC blush, I'm gonna be applying this on my cheeks, just on top of that bronzer, a little bit on my nose, just to give my face that bronzy and sun-kissed look. Now with MAC Soft and Gentle, I'm gonna be highlighting my face and also my nose. I didn't show that, but yes, now I'm blessing myself with some Fix Plus. It was much needed because it was so hot that day. I was like sweating. Oh my god. So yes guys, we are almost done. I swear it took me a while to finish this makeup look because I am not used anymore to do dramatic looks and full glam, but I'm feeling very pretty in this. I love it. I love how it came out. Let me zoom you guys in. My eyes, I love my eyes. I love this color. I never color on my eyes anymore, and yeah, but I love this, and my skin is looking so flawless. So yes, I am very happy I did this for you guys because I'm like, I don't know, maybe I will start playing more with makeup again, and this was basically why I wanted to start a YouTube channel, and this started like before Carter was born. Like I can show you guys videos that I did on my iPad to post but never post them, and yeah, so I love this. I was looking for my lip liner but I couldn't find it, so I found this little one. So I basically use cork for my lips most of the time. I will line them and then I will be back because my battery is dying, so I don't want it to die on me. So I will be back in a minute and I will overdraw my lips a little bit. So yeah guys, and I wanted to show you guys this because I did put it in my waterline and I think it's very pretty, and it comes, now I want to use them all. So they are lip liners and they come in this packaging, and I bought them at Action. So yes, I wasn't expecting it to be nice, but it is. So I just lined my lips. It looks very dark, but anyways, and now I'm gonna just add my Zara lipstick. Yes, I love this color. It's a very pretty nude. And then on top of that, I'm gonna add my Kylie Exposed liquid lipstick, and it's been a minute since I used it, so yes baby, this is so pretty. And I am using a lot of lip gloss lately. But I think I just like it like this. squeeze a little bit in. Yeah, baby, I love this. So yeah guys, this is it. This is the look. I hope you like this makeup look. I love it, and I'm so glad I did a full glam dramatic eye look for you guys. I think I'm in love again with makeup, to be honest. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what kind of makeup video you would like to see in the future, and I will be making those for you guys, and I hope you like it. I enjoyed this makeup look so much. I am so in love with it. So yeah guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.